Okay, guys, this is my backyard, and my trees are full of robins. They've been out here for a long time now. I have never seen anything like this before. I'm sure it happens and has happened. They're on the ground, they're in the trees. Every tree in my yard is full of robins. Look. Oh, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Oh, it's freezing cold out here. Oh, but beautiful. Just beautiful. See, the tree is full. I guess I better go in before I get sick. Oh, it's just amazing. Let's zoom back out. Can you see them flying around? Wow. They're everywhere. It has to be hundreds. I love it. It's beautiful. See? Oh, wow, guys. This is so amazing. You can find the amazing in small things. You can find God in small things. You can find blessings in the small things. Have a blessed day, guys. I love you.